Okay, boys, you see, we have searched up Atlantic Hurricane Simulator. I mean, I never really like hurricanes that much, but I used to love searching about the Atlantic Hurricane Simulators. I've always searched them, and finally I found one. Hong Kong, you. Wait. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's change this. Since I'm tired, I'm gonna just make this video short and do 5 hurricanes. Let's start. To do nothing. Okay, one last hurricane after this. It will be special. Okay, both of them died. Sad. Wait, I wanna go back to. Wait, which month has the least amount of. Okay, it's March. Okay, let's do 2 random hurricanes in March. Then next is January because it's New Year and we have to ruin it for them. Sorry. Where are you going, my friend? Are you heading off for graveyard here? Yeah, this is your gate. Oh, where are you going now? Wait, I can't believe we actually have a category 5 in freaking March. I know I may be cringy, but enjoy. Okay, let's ruin. Wait, I missed it. Okay, we have it. Okay, one random hurricane here. Come on, go here, go here, go here. This one more. Fine. 2 random hurricanes. Yeah, both. A shame. That's what I expected. Hey, why are you gonna just do that? Oh, I just cracked my finger. Okay. That's the end of the game that I've been searching for years. Now, goodbye.